everybody, it's Natasha of NatashasKitchen.com, and I have such a treat for you. I'm gonna teach you how to make the French toast. This has a bacon caramel pecan topping that is just absolutely incredible. So let's get started. First, the bacon. Place a medium saucepan over medium heat and add 4 strips of chopped bacon. Saute that, stirring occasionally until the bacon is crisp and browned, then transfer it to a plate with a slotted spoon. And right into that bacon fat, we're gonna melt in 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Next, add 1 cup of packed light brown sugar. You'll know it was packed if you empty it from the measuring cup and it keeps its form. Now add a tablespoon of water and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, making this a salted caramel sauce. Bring that to a light boil, then reduce the heat to low and keep it at a simmer for another 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Now remove the pan from the heat and stir in 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once that's pretty well blended together, stir in the chopped cooked bacon, place it back over the heat and lightly boil another 1 to 2 minutes or until the sauce is completely smooth. Take that off the heat and let it cool for about 10 minutes before serving. And this bacon salted caramel sauce is incredible. You want to keep every last drop. Now we're gonna make the French toast. I'm using a loaf of Italian bread here, but you can also use Texas toast, which is a thick sliced bread. You'll need about 9 to 10 3/4 inch thick slices. Now in a large mixing bowl, whisk together the wet ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of milk, 3 large eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk just until blended. Now, while whisking, add the dry ingredients. That's 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Whisk until it's completely smooth. Now dip each piece of toast generously into the egg mixture, turning a couple of times to thoroughly coat the bread. Let any excess drip back into the bowl. You'll need to cook in about 2 to 3 batches unless you have a large griddle. Place a large nonstick skillet over medium heat and add a tablespoon of butter. Once the butter stops sizzling, add each piece of French toast, keeping them in a single layer. Saute for about 3 to 4 minutes per side over medium heat. If you see the French toast is browning too quickly, adjust the heat because you want the egg mixture to cook all the way through the toast. Add more butter and repeat with the next batch. All right, everything is ready. Our French toast is toasted. We have our luscious caramel sauce and it's thickened a little bit. And if you want it looser, you just heat it up a tiny bit, but this looks perfect. Look at that chunky bacon. Oh, this is so good, I'm telling you. And then also I toasted some pecans earlier and we're gonna use that to sprinkle on top. I'm just serving it with some fruit because this is perfect for breakfast or brunch or lunch, like right now, or even a sweet treat after dinner. Okay, so we're gonna build one of these and it's so easy. You can completely make these ahead of time, load them up and just serve them. Easy peasy. Okay. Okay, and then this caramel sauce, you want to put a good heaping tablespoon of it on each piece. Just like that. Spread it around. Okay, and then I'm telling you that bacon is so irresistible. Oh my goodness. And it adds a tiny bit of salt, so it's like a salted caramel. It's so good. Okay, and then last but not least, we've got our toasted pecans. Just sprinkle those over the top. Okay, and just, it's so beautiful. I'm excited. Okay, I'm gonna get right into this taste test because I cannot wait any longer. And of course, this is the best served when it's warm, so let's do this. I'm a happy girl right now. Mm. 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 This This is fantastic. I mean, every bite is just like melt in your mouth delicious. You've got that sweet and savory with the bacon, a little bit of salted caramel, and then the French toast base is absolutely amazing. Crisp on the outside, soft on the inside, perfectly cooked through, and it really doesn't get any easier. This is such an easy French toast recipe. You're gonna make it over and over and over, and you're gonna fall in love with this topping. I'm telling you, it's perfect for special occasions or brunch parties. That's right, crowd pleaser right here. I love that you can make a big batch all at once and serve it. So easy to serve, so easy to eat. Oh, okay, I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of this. Hey, before you go, if you guys are looking for more crowd-pleasing breakfast ideas, check out some of our all-time favorites right over there and right down there. And don't forget to click below to subscribe, and when you do, click that little bell icon and you'll get notifications every time we post a new recipe. We'll see you in our next video.